network analytics?
So we're very excited to be announcing and launching AI Network Analytics, where we use artificial intelligence to empower our network administrators to do their job much better, faster, as networks get more complex every single day.
That sounds really incredible, but why don't you show me how these capabilities actually help me within the network?
Certainly, showing is better than telling. So what we do is that we get all the information from your wireless LAN controllers, and we're able to define what's normal. And when we see something that it's not normal, we automatically tell you, right? So this green band actually tells you what is normal for your network with our machine learning algorithms. And here, wow, we saw that it's taking longer to connect to the network, or users are failing to connect to the network. We want users to connect to the network, so let's first of all identify when it happened, where it happened, and now let's go and look what's the impact, right? We want to know which clients and access points are impacted by this aspect. Once we have this, we see all the access points. We can go and see which are the bad apples and change them and configure them and fix the problem. But what problem are we going to solve, and how are we going to do it? We actually tell you, we do root cause analysis, and our machine learning algorithms tell you what are the most probable network causes. That's not enough? Okay, we can go and tell you what's the distribution among the different access points of that problem. Oh, I see this access point is important for me. Where did it fail? Association. Why did it fail? And all the details, so you can really solve your problems much faster than before. And here we tell you the suggested actions on how to do that.
So I love this. So this gives me a chance to be proactive instead of waiting for those calls to start just piling in.
Exactly. You can actually know about the problem even before the user is aware of it.
That's incredible. Speaking of the users, to my right over here, I got Roland Roca. He was our Cisco champion. That he is here. Tell us how these network capabilities help you as a customer on site.
I can tell you, my firm's a VAR, and we deal with a lot of customer issues that come up constantly. Situations where we can't tell where the latency is going to come from, or if there's a delay on a user process. Being able to just look at a dashboard and have it determine whether or not this is normal or not normal is a big step up, especially for user experience. We got situations where a customer is potentially causing the problem. Sometimes it's the actual network situation. Knowing where the highs and the lows of the network are, just from a dashboard, is huge. It's going to save a lot of time.
How were you having to do this before? Just so that give folks just an idea of what it's like if you can't do this, because to every other people they might be saying, oh, this is like a dashboard.
Sure, of course. You're always going to have to look at your NMS. You're going to find out what the normal use case is for the network. You're going to go by and say, well, normally they're at 200 megs, but for some reason they're spiking at 700 megs. Where's the endpoints? And now you've got to trace it down step by step like a network detective. This saves so much more time. Just look at the dashboard. It tells me exactly where the norms are and where you're going over the threshold. It's awesome. No thresholds, just automatically determines it. That's
awesome.
Great.
Thank you so much. So come on and check it out. Come down to the launch zone. We learn more about how artificial intelligence and machine learning has actually increased the ability to be able to detect issues sooner. We're going to go back to Steve in studio. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Andy Murphy. I appreciate it. Great interview. Great job as always. And our thank you to Daniel